In the human respiratory system, the primary function of type 2 pneumocytes in the alveoli is. Correct answer is secretion of surfactant. The respiratory center that primarily regulates the rhythm of breathing is located in the. Correct answer is medulla oblongata. The partial pressure of oxygen in alveolar air is approximately. Correct answer is 104 mm Hg. The hearing brewer reflex helps to prevent. Correct answer is overinflation of lungs. The pigment responsible for transport of oxygen in human blood is. Correct answer is hemoglobin. The Bohr effect describes the influence of which factor on oxygen binding with hemoglobin? Correct answer is carbon dioxide concentration and pH. The volume of air remaining in the lungs after a forceful expiration is called. Correct answer is residual volume. The total amount of air that can be forcibly exhaled after maximum inhalation is known as. Correct answer is vital capacity. The major stimulus for increased rate of breathing is. Correct answer is increased carbon dioxide concentration. The thin membrane through which gas exchange occurs between alveoli and blood capillaries is called. Correct answer is respiratory membrane. The collapse of alveoli due to absence of surfactant is called. Correct answer is atelectasis. The main respiratory pigment present in the red blood cells of humans is synthesized in the. Correct answer is bone marrow. The pleural cavity normally contains. Correct answer is pleural fluid. The structural unit responsible for gas exchange in the lungs is the. Correct answer is alveolus. During inspiration, the diaphragm. Correct answer is contracts and moves downward. The disease characterized by destruction of alveolar walls leading to reduced respiratory surface area is. Correct answer is emphysema. The majority of carbon dioxide transported in human blood is in the form of. Correct answer is bicarbonate ions. The cartilage rings present in the trachea are primarily meant to. Correct answer is prevent collapse of the airway. The oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin shifts to the right when. Correct answer is temperature increases. The respiratory pigment hemoglobin has the highest affinity for. Correct answer is carbon monoxide. The opening and closing of the glottis during respiration is controlled by the. Correct answer is vocal cords. The amount of air inhaled or exhaled during normal quiet breathing is called. Correct answer is tidal volume. The part of the respiratory tract that serves as a common passage for both air and food is the correct answer is pharynx. In humans, the right lung is divided into correct answer is 3 lobes. The left lung is smaller than the right lung because correct answer is it accommodates the heart. The internal respiration refers to the exchange of gases between correct answer is blood and body tissues. The transport of oxygen from alveoli to tissues occurs mainly due to correct answer is diffusion along pressure gradient. The enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into carbonic acid in red blood cells is correct answer is carbonic anhydrase. Which of the following structures prevents food from entering the trachea during swallowing? Correct answer is epiglottis. The process of breathing is also known as correct answer is ventilation. The condition in which the pleural cavity fills with air causing lung collapse is called correct answer is pneumothorax. The maximum volume of air that can be inhaled after a normal inspiration is called correct answer is inspiratory reserve volume. The respiratory surface area in human lungs is approximately correct answer is 70 square meters. The respiratory center that regulates the depth of breathing is located in the correct answer is pons. Which of the following factors decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen? Correct answer is high carbon dioxide concentration. The chloride shift during carbon dioxide transport occurs mainly in correct answer is red blood cells. The protective reflex that expels irritants from the respiratory tract is known as correct answer is coughing. Which of the following cells act as scavengers in the alveoli? Correct answer is alveolar macrophages. The respiratory bronchioles directly open into correct answer is alveolar ducts. The main function of mucus in the respiratory tract is to correct answer is trap dust and microorganisms. The layer of cells forming the major part of the respiratory membrane in alveoli is composed mainly of correct answer is type 1 pneumocytes. The inspiratory center located in the medulla oblongata is also known as the correct answer is dorsal respiratory group. The pneumotaxic center that regulates breathing is located in the correct answer is pons. The increase in hydrogen ion concentration in blood during intense exercise mainly results from. Correct answer is lactic acid formation. Which of the following lung capacities cannot be measured directly using a spirometer? Correct answer is residual volume. The respiratory tract is lined with ciliate epithelium mainly to. Correct answer is remove trapped particles and mucus. The strongest stimulus for breathing comes from chemoreceptors sensitive to. Correct answer is carbon dioxide concentration. The process by which oxygen moves from alveoli into blood capillaries is mainly. Correct answer is diffusion. The pressure difference that drives inhalation is created mainly by. Correct answer is expansion of thoracic cavity. The disease in which bronchioles become inflamed and narrowed leading to difficulty in breathing is. Correct answer is asthma. The oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin depends primarily on the presence of. Correct answer is iron atoms. The normal respiratory rate in a healthy adult human at rest is approximately. Correct answer is 12 to 16 breaths per minute. The alveoli remain open during breathing primarily due to the presence of. Correct answer is surfactant. The exchange of gases between blood and tissues is known as. Correct answer is internal respiration. The respiratory passage that lacks cartilage and is mainly composed of smooth muscle is the. Correct answer is bronchiole. During vigorous exercise, breathing rate increases mainly due to stimulation of. Correct answer is chemoreceptors. The oxygen saturation of hemoglobin in arterial blood under normal conditions is approximately. Correct answer is 97%. The main site of carbon dioxide production in the body is the. Correct answer is body cells during cellular respiration. The diaphragm is mainly composed of. Correct answer is skeletal muscle. The movement of ribs during inhalation is primarily caused by contraction of. Correct answer is external intercostal muscles.